In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Microsoft Email to Gmail. First, open the Gmail app on your device. You can find this app on your home screen or in your app drawer. Opening the app is a crucial first step. It sets the stage for everything that follows. You will see your inbox and the familiar Gmail interface. This is where you manage all your emails. If you have multiple accounts linked already, you will see them here as well. This makes it easier to switch between accounts. Once the app is open, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now tap your profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen. This is an important action because accessing your profile allows you to manage your email accounts. When you tap on your profile picture, a menu will appear. It will show your current accounts and give you the option to add more. This feature is designed to help keep your email organized. It also allows quick access to settings. After tapping your profile picture, you will see the options you need to add another account. From there, tap Add Another Account. This option is essential for connecting your Microsoft email. The Gmail app supports multiple types of accounts. By selecting this option, you will be prompted to choose the type of account you want to add. This flexibility is a great advantage. It provides seamless integration between different email services. Once you tap on this option, you will see a list of email providers available. Next, select Outlook, Hotmail, and Live from the list. This step is key because it specifies the type of Microsoft email account you want to connect. By choosing this option, you ensure the Gmail app is set up to handle your Microsoft emails properly. The app will then direct you to the sign-in page for Microsoft accounts. This is a simple and straightforward process. It allows for a smooth transition between your accounts. After that, sign in with your Microsoft email and password. This is a crucial step. Enter your full email address and your password carefully. Make sure you have your login credentials ready. Typing your information accurately is important for successfully connecting your accounts. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you may need to verify your identity. This extra layer of security is beneficial for protecting your account. Once you have entered your information, tap the Sign In button to proceed. Once signed in, approve the permission request. This step is vital as it allows Gmail to access your Outlook emails. You will see a screen outlining what permissions are being requested. Review these carefully before granting access. This ensures that you are fully aware of what data will be shared. Approving the permissions will enable the Gmail app to sync your Microsoft emails seamlessly. It's a small step that significantly enhances your email management. Finally, wait for your emails to sync. This process may take a moment depending on the number of emails you have. During this time, the Gmail app retrieves your Microsoft emails and integrates them into your inbox. You will see a loading icon indicating that the sync is in progress. Once complete, you will have all your Microsoft emails available right in your Gmail app. This feature streamlines your email management, making it easier to access all your messages in one place. With that done, you are now ready to use your Microsoft email alongside your Gmail seamlessly. This integration saves you time and keeps your communications organized. Enjoy the convenience of having everything in one app. Thank you for following along.